kind of pride myself on these things only being a one-piece job because one paper, if you do it right, you have plenty of time. You don't ever have to feel like you don't have enough time to get any of this done. All of this touch-up work should be done, like all of the touch-up work should be done before the tool even gets to a red heat. You start around a nice kind of low yellow, and you should have it done, or at least I should have it done, before it gets to kind of a medium red heat. One heat, one taper, but I'm also working with half-inch stock. Obviously, it takes longer the bigger the stock. And that's kind of why these things are simple. They're fast. They're not supposed to take an extremely long time to produce. Also, tapping your anvil when you are not hitting the material, just kind of lightly tapping your anvil, kind of helps your mind to keep moving faster, at least it does for me. So that when you turn it, you don't have to think quite so long before you start hitting your material again. That's why I do it. And it makes the whole job just come out like a lot quicker, a lot smoother. With blacksmithing, I would assume it's the same with bladesmithing. Each thing that you do, you want enough time to think it through. Like your piece. When you don't think it through, things become sloppy. At least it does for me anyways. And when you give yourself a chance to just stop and look at your piece, you learn a lot. And you strategize a lot about how to best, most effectively make it the way that it's supposed to be. And that makes your entire job come out easier. It's not just about like grabbing a hot piece of steel and hitting it. I mean, it is, but there's a little bit of tact to it. You gotta look at your piece, figure out what's going on. And once you know what's going on, then 9 times out of 10, you actually know exactly what it takes to fix it. And when you don't, well, you just keep working at it and fixing it the best you can until you do get it fixed. And when you run into that point, that's when you learn the most about your craft. So mistakes are good. Mistakes are wonderful. One of the best lessons you could ever find. So you find a good mistake, you milk it for all the lessons you can get out of it. Record it if you have to and watch it later. You'll be sitting there watching it, and then eventually you'll see something. And it'll just be like, oh, I should have done that different. should have done that better. If I had done that, and then you can go out and try it. And you'll fumble around, you'll find out what works. And when you find out what works, you'll be that closer to being completely unstoppable no matter what the forge throws at you. I say it like it's out to get you. It's kind of funny, but it can feel like that sometimes. Especially after you've had like a really good day, and then the next day, it doesn't seem to matter what you do. The whole day just kind of goes to shit. That's when you really think that the forge is conspiring against you. Truth be known, the forge doesn't give a shit what happens to you. If you're making it bad for yourself, you just got to figure out what you're doing wrong and stop it. Okay, so there's the first two.